Today we are going to do the unboxing of Logitech K230 wireless keyboard. So let's see what's on the box. To the top right, it is mentioned as K230 space saving wireless keyboard. To the bottom there is Logitech branding. To the top right corner there is 24 months mentioned. This is the battery life of this keyboard. And to the bottom right there is the unifying USB receiver. Pic of the unifying USB receiver. To the left is the keyboard pic. To the right again it's mentioned as Logitech code K230. To the other side there is simply Logitech branding, and to the bottom side you have Logitech K230 mentioned here, Logitech K230 mentioned here, and what's in the box. So the box contains one keyboard, two different color attachments, two AAA size batteries, one USB receiver, and one document. So what you need is it supports this keyboard supports Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Chrome OS, Linux kernel 2.6 plus, USB port. So these are all you need for this laptop to get connected to the laptop, for this keyboard to get connected to the laptop and work. So it comes with 3-year limited hardware warranty. There is some Windows 10 compatible and Windows 8 compatible, nothing else. To the back, so let's see, to the back left top corner there is K230 wireless keyboard, Windows, Chrome OS, Linux. These are the features: compact, space saving design, low profile keyboard, features a standard layout and full size number pad. Logitech advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, it's a range of 10 meters, fast data transmission, no delay or dropouts, and wireless encryption. The battery life is 24 months, power up for years, hassle-free 24-month battery life plus auto sleep and on-off switch. It has a physical on-off switch and auto sleep feature. So if you don't use it for some time, it goes for auto sleep, which saves our battery. Sleek style with colorful options. Swap out the battery door with the other two options. Choose from gray, pink or blue. There will be three things: gray, pink or blue. You can choose anything. I'll show you the attachments. So this is the MRP is around $995, but I bought it for $895 in Amazon. So the package contains keyboard 1 number, AAA batteries 2 number, receiver 1 number, documentation 1 number. It is made in China. Country of origin is China. So let's see what is here. So these are the keyboard features: spill resistant design, durable keys tested to 5 million keystrokes, adjustable tilt legs, plug and play USB connection, Logitech unifying receiver, no software installation. Let's go ahead and open the box. So this is how the keyboard looks. These are the two attachments that they have mentioned on the box. One is pink and one is pink and one is blue. There is Logitech branding in the middle on both of these. Let's keep them aside. So this is the keyboard. Some document. This is the warranty document. Let's keep them aside. Let's open the cover and see how the keyboard looks. So this is how the keyboard looks. It's very compact. This is the gray attachment and there are blue and pink which we can swap with this. So this is how the keyboard looks. Let me show you the entire keyboard. The function keys are small in size. The up arrow button is small in size. It has a full number keypad. This is how the keys sound. They are quite soft. They are not at all hot. They are quite soft. So let's see to the bottom. Nothing else. to the top, nothing else, to the side, only this, to the other side. Yeah, here we have the USB receiver. This is the unifying USB receiver. It's mentioned that we can connect to 6 devices with this single receiver, keyboard, mice, etc. So let's keep it here. To the back, these are the this is the tilt stand. Something is mentioned here, made in China and all. And this is the power on off switch. It has auto sleep feature as well, so even if you forgot to switch off the keyboard, it goes for auto sleep. So this is how the keyboard looks. Let's remove these attachments and plug in the different color ones and see how this looks. Yeah, so under these attachments are the two AAA batteries. This keyboard comes with two AAA batteries. So this is how the pink attachment looks on the keyboard. If you just push it down, it comes out and you can change. This is how the blue attachment looks on the keyboard. The colors are quite catchy. So let's connect it to the laptop and see how fast this connects and how it works. Let me connect it to the laptop. So let's plug it in. Yeah, I have plugged it in. You can see that it is setting up the device. So once I plugged in, it is setting up the device. Let's see. Oh, I think we have to switch it on. Okay. Yeah, it started working. Let's see if you can type anything. Yeah, it started working. I think you will be able to see now. Yeah, so yeah, if you can see on the screen, let me press ASTFG. Yeah, it's working. So for the caps lock, there is no indicator that the caps lock is on. So I have switched on. Let me erase it. Erased completely. Yeah, caps lock, everything works, but there is no indication that caps lock is on or not. So you have to rely by typing it. So it works immediately. Once you connect it, within a span of 20 to 30 seconds, it started working. Even for number lock, number lock, there is no LED indicator, so you have to rely completely by typing. So let me also show you the actual length and width of this keyboard trigger, so that it will be useful for someone. So it is around 15 inches, 14 3 by 4 inches, so it's around 15 inches length, and it's around 4.5 inch width. So it's around 4.5 inch width and 15 inches in length. So it's working fine. This completes the unboxing and review. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.